This is Nintendo old game player. When you were a children, I think you must play this game. Yes, this is Nintendo Famicom. It is a very old game player. Yes, this one. But this is a fork Nintendo Famicom. So it will change another the connector. For example, the power is become the micro USB DC 5 voltage, but it is still the capacity output. Capacity output, but I do not have the capacity input TV monitor, so I cannot watch the TV monitor. Okay, I will use the China chip CVBS capture card, and I will connect to the iPad. Yes, I will connect to the iPad. I will show you how to let the old Nintendo game player display on iPad. I will connect each game. This is many game in this adapter. Okay, and connect the DC 5 voltage. DC 5 voltage. Okay, the power. And the capacity output. Capacity output, I will connect to the EasyCap capture card. CVBS. This is Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter. Could we connect the Lightning to USB 3 camera adapter directly? The answer is no, because the iPad cannot get the UVC signal, so I need added a adapter. This is USB webcam to iOS adapter. Okay, webcam connect to the EasyCap, and the iOS connect to this adapter. I want to use and charge at the same time, so I added the Lightning cable to charge. I will add the keyboard. And finally, I will connect the power of this adapter. Yes, turn on the app Media Link switcher. Turn on the power, and you can select the Chinese or English. This is game selection. Not only this, I also can use the USB-C iPad Pro. This is USB-C iPad Pro. When you use the USB-C iPad Pro, you need to prepare a USB-C hub. I switch the added the USB-C hub. when you and plug the USB cable. And then play again. Turn on the app MediaLink switcher and edit the video source I capture. Okay, and I play again. It is very interesting. I use the iPad as a TV monitor for the older game player, Nintendo Famicom. It is a fork, but it is still very interesting. Bye bye. Yes.